Welcome! It's great to have you here. In this exciting journey, we're going to explore the world of the internet. Don't worry if you're new to all of this. We'll start with the basics and explain everything in simple terms. Many people find the internet a little confusing at first. That's perfectly normal. By the end of this guide, you'll have a good understanding of what the internet is and how it works. Most importantly, you'll learn how to use it safely and confidently. We'll use easy to understand language and helpful examples. Let's get started. Imagine a vast library filled with endless information. That's a lot like the internet. It's a global network that connects computers all over the world. This connection allows them to share information and communicate with each other. Think of it like a giant web, hence the name World Wide Web. Each point on this web is a computer or a server. These servers store websites, videos, emails, and all sorts of other information. When you access the internet, you're connecting to this vast network. You can then access information from any connected computer, no matter where it is in the world. Amazing, isn't it? You might be wondering how information actually travels across the internet. It's a fascinating process that involves a lot of technology working seamlessly together. It's all about data packets and addresses. These packets are the fundamental units of data transmission on the internet. Think of data packets as electronic envelopes carrying pieces of information. Just like traditional mail, these packets need to be properly addressed to reach their destination. Each computer and device connected to the internet has a unique address called an IP address. This IP address acts like a home address for your device on the internet. This address helps direct the data packets to the right place. Without IP addresses, the internet would be a chaotic mess with data floating aimlessly. When you send an email, for example, it's broken down into these packets. Each packet contains a piece of the email along with the recipient's IP address. Each packet is labeled with the recipient's IP address and sent on its way. These packets don't necessarily travel the same path. They take the most efficient route available. The packets travel through various routers and networks like a complex postal system. Routers act as traffic directors, ensuring each packet moves towards its destination. Finally, they reach their destination where they're reassembled into the original email. The process of reassembly is just as crucial as the journey itself. All of this happens in the blink of an eye. The speed and efficiency of this process are what make the internet so powerful and indispensable in our daily lives. To access this incredible network, you need an internet connection and a device like a computer, smartphone, or tablet. You can get internet access from various providers such as cable companies or phone companies. Once you have an internet connection, you're ready to explore. It's like having a window to the world right at your fingertips. You can find information, connect with loved ones, and even learn new things. The World Wide Web and websites. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of the internet and how it connects us all. Now let's talk about the World Wide Web, often called the web. It's an integral part of our daily lives, enabling us to access information and communicate with others. It's a vast collection of websites stored on servers all over the world. These servers are powerful computers that store and deliver web pages to users. A website is like a digital document with text, images, videos, and more. Websites can be simple or complex depending on their purpose and design. Each website has a unique address called a URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator. This URL is what you type into your web browser to find a specific site. Think of it like a street address for a house, but for a website. Just as every house has a unique address, every website has its own unique URL. You type this URL into a web browser to visit that specific website. The browser then retrieves the website from the server and displays it on your screen. There are websites for almost anything you can imagine. From educational resources to entertainment, the web offers a vast array of content. You can find news, recipes, travel information, health advice, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. The web truly is a treasure trove of information and resources accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Using a web browser. To access websites, you need a program called a web browser. It's like a vehicle that takes you to different destinations on the web. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Using a web browser is easy. Simply type the website's URL into the address bar at the top of the browser window and press Enter. The browser will then load the website for you to view. Web browsers also have helpful features like bookmarks, which let you save your favorite websites for easy access. You can also open multiple websites in different tabs, making it easy to switch between them. Searching the internet. With billions of websites out there, finding what you're looking for might seem daunting. That's where search engines come in. They're like librarians of the internet, helping you find the information you need. Popular search engines include Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Just type your search query into the search bar on the search engine's website and hit Enter. The search engine will then display a list of relevant websites. You can be specific with your search queries to get more accurate results. For example, instead of searching for recipes, try chocolate chip cookie recipes to find exactly what you're looking for. Staying safe online. While the internet is an incredible tool that connects us to a world of information and entertainment, it's important to stay safe while using it. The online world can be as dangerous as it is exciting. Here are a few essential tips to keep in mind to ensure your online safety. Be mindful of what you share. Remember, once something is online, it can be difficult to remove. Avoid sharing personal information like your home address, phone number, or financial details on public websites or with people you don't know. Create strong passwords to protect your accounts. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for your passwords. This makes it harder for hackers to guess them. Don't use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account gets compromised, others will remain safe. Be wary of suspicious emails and links. Cybercriminals often use phishing tactics to steal your information. Don't click on links or open attachments from unknown senders. They could lead to malicious websites or download harmful software. They could contain viruses or malware. Use antivirus software to scan and protect your devices. Install reputable antivirus software on your computer to protect it from threats. Keep your software updated to ensure maximum protection. Regularly update your operating system and other software to benefit from the latest security patches. These updates often fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Exploring the internet. Congratulations, you've learned the basics of the internet. Now it's time to start exploring this vast and exciting world. Don't be afraid to try new things and discover the endless possibilities the internet has to offer. Why not start by searching for something that interests you? It could be a hobby, a recipe, or information about a place you've always wanted to visit. You can also connect with loved ones through email, social media, or video calls. Remember, the internet is a powerful tool that can enrich your life in countless ways. Embrace it, explore it, and enjoy the journey.